Okay, folks. Welcome back. I'd hoped this was going to be a different video. The motor, unfortunately, is not ready. The reeds were ordered, and they haven't come in yet. So reeds were supposed to be here. They're not. That's nobody's fault. It's just the way shipping runs. It happens. But boat's ready aside from that. Need to get the reeds in, get the reeds put in the motor, and then we'll hang the motor, and we'll go fishing. I wish this was a video of me running the boat today, but it's kind of a crappy day to run the boat anyway. So let's do a quick walk around, show you all the boat as it is, minus the motor. Here we are. We got everything wired in, everything is running, everything is working. It needs a final cleaning for sure. Take it to the car wash it off. There's still a little fiberglass on the deal there. Except the motor needs to be hung. We got all this cleaned up inside here. Not near as bad as it was. It still needs to be washed out. So when I take it to the car wash, I'll hose that out also. Seats are in. Oh, the center step hadn't come in yet. It's supposed to be here today. That's 4 screws. It'll just screw down. Got the switch panel installed. We'll walk over there. A little chilly out here today, but let's see. Switch panels on. Lights. Aerator. Bilge pumps. Running lights. Things hooked up. Got a little voltmeter in it, and USB charging plugs. Oh, I guess I need to mount that still. Still got to mount the fuse block. 5 minutes worth of crap. But we got the Lowrance 12-inch here, touchscreen, and 7-inch up front. Everything's good to go. Now we're just waiting for the reeds to come in. Alright, got the boat out of the way. One of the viewers got with me. One of the guys, actually one of the veterans that's going fishing with me. He got with me and had a great idea. A Veterans Weekend. We'll do just a bunch of veterans getting together, go fishing. Talked to a friend of mine who owns a marina up on Lake Fork, and he's down with it. They've got a motel, they've got a restaurant, they've got a big pavilion, boat ramp, boat dock, all that good stuff. So my thoughts are, everybody get together, pick a weekend, go up there, do some fishing. I've got a lot of friends with boats in the Lake Fork area that I'm pretty sure I can talk them into helping, getting everybody on the water. Randy Simmons, I'm looking at you. But anyway, getting veterans out fishing, make a weekend out of it. Have dinner there at the marina. They make a great prime rib. Talk about great. One of the best food on the lake there. Anyway, they have a pavilion. They have a day of fishing. Go out, get on the water. Maybe do a little competition of some kind. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But then have dinner there at the marina. And afterwards, just have a get together. Everybody get to know each other. Have veterans introduce themselves to each other and whatnot. hang out, just make a fun weekend out of it. No stress, no nothing, just kind of a weekend getaway. Let me know what y'all's thoughts are on that. Go follow my page on Facebook. It's called Texas Veteran Fishing, just like this channel. You can get in direct contact with me there. And let me know what you think about it. All right, send me a message. I've got a post on that page on Texas Veteran Fishing on Facebook. I've got a post there that kind of goes over this same deal. If you're interested in something like that, make a comment on that post. Let me know what dates work for you. If you have any other ideas or anything like that to get the veteran community together. That's, especially with the, well, we won't talk about any of that. But in these trying times, we'll say it that way. We need to get together, get some camaraderie going, some fellowship. But anyway, thanks again to everybody that's watched, followed, everybody that's liked and shared, commented, all that stuff. It helps to bring this all together. It's greatly appreciated. Excuse me. So anyway, like I said, go to Texas Veteran Fishing on Facebook and follow that page if you don't mind, and let me know what you think. It should be at the very top. I don't think anything else has been posted above it, but let me know your thoughts and comments on a weekend deal. Kind of gauge interest, see what we can get going, and hopefully we can make this happen. I can't do it without y'all. I've got to have y'all's participation in this. But I guess we'll end that there. Hopefully the next video will be out hauling mud on the lake. All right, guys.